Itong Kitsaraw, Agusan del Norte, sir, is a pure agricultural community where they don't have any company. Talagang agricultural community ito, comprises of 11 barangays, and majority of the farmers depend farming as their source of livelihood. So ngayon ito, sir, ang LGU, the municipal mayor, yung municipal mayor namin, Aristotle Montante, at naging vice mayor ngayon, at yung mayor namin ngayon, na Jenry A. Montante, magkapatid sila, they do have vision to love the farmers. We developed agricultural livelihood programs locally initiated by the LGU. Locally initiated, it means to say, pundo talaga ng LGU, sir.
Yeah.
Pundo namin yung gumagawa kami ng mga livelihood project focusing on rice farmer, focusing on vegetable farmers, focusing on the ITs, the mamanwas, focusing on the rebel returnees, and focusing on the other sector of the community. Pundo yun ng livelihood project, sir, na pundo ng munisipyo, na pinunduhan ng munisipyo sa kanyang galing na pondo at ginawaan namin ng livelihood project tailored fit to the needs of the farmer.